At the restaurants and cafes you visit, a variety of herbs are often used to decorate drinks and desserts. Beautiful toppings made with flowers and leaves. Have you ever found yourself wondering, what kind of flower is this? What kind of leaf? These little touches add color and character to drinks and dishes, turning ordinary moments into something special, like a touch of magic. So in this video, we'll introduce some beautiful herbs you can easily use at home to add a special touch to your desserts and drinks. This video is under 3 minutes, so be sure to watch until the end. All of the herbs we introduced today are relatively easy to grow. If any of these herbs caught your interest, why not try growing them at home?